Cameron here with the Cameron team, Coldwell Banker, Seacoast Advantage. Wanted to bring everyone back out here to the landing at Lewis Creek and give you an update of what's going on. They've got all the landscaping in at the entrance, which is really beautiful, and the houses are really coming out of the ground. Let's go check it out. So here's the townhome section of the landing at Lewis Creek. They've got this first row in, and they're starting to come up on the other side of the street. These townhomes start at $199,900 and go up from there. They've got a couple of floor plans to choose from, and they're really nice. I like the stone accents on the different types of siding. They got the shake, the board and batten, and the horizontal, so it's really nice. And we'll go and check out the single family homes as well. So this is the first row of single family homes that have come out of the ground. They've done a really nice job here with the tree-lined streets, got some nice landscaping, got the cluster of mailboxes here so you can chat with your neighbors when you're picking up your mail. They've just done a really nice job. McAdams Homes are the builders out here. There's going to be over 200 home sites. They've got lots of floor plans to choose from. The single family homes start in the low 200s and go up. So if you have any questions or would like to come out and take a tour, we are happy to meet you out here. Give us a call at 910-202-2546 or check us out at thecameronteam.net.